Alright. J. Paul, you've officially made the craziest PR package I've ever seen in my fucking life. Check this out. First off, how'd you get my high school pictures?
Yo, Yachty, Miles, it's you from the future. Good news, man. You're still smart, handsome, funny, wildly charming, and besties with Drake. But somewhere around the year 2025, you develop a stank-ass musk, something like a smelly burger. And Aubrey actually pulled us aside to let us know that he won't share the same studio as us if we go on like this. No one in concrete boys will get within 10 feet of us, but I came with a solution. Jake Paul's new men's care line. It's called W, and it's vitamin infused and available in every Walmart in the nation. So please, for Drake, Caribou, and the rest of your friends while you still have them, put this on your body, Yachty. Purr, bitch.
Bro, what? But this is crazy.